Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Thinkers Mind. If you are subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you can see my next video sometime. So let's start.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
So I noticed that you all guys liked my first video from me. It was of unboxing Redmi 9 power smartphone.
2,000 years later.
So here I am back with the second unboxing video of Lenovo Thinkpad E14 Generation 2 laptop. So let's unbox this.
Oh my God! Wow!
So I will open this box and see what is inside it.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
This is the manual. This is the manual, which is not important. Here is our main stuff, which is our laptop. I will see you later. And here is the first part of the 65-watt adapter or charger. And here is the second part of the charger. And it's empty now. So we will first open the laptop. So it is looking very awesome. It is 18.9 mm thin and its weight is 1.59 kg, which means it is light in weight. It comes with rapid charge technology, which means it can charge 80% in 1 hour. It has up to 13 hours of battery life. It comes with 12 military grade certifications. It has total 5 ports. First, USB 2.0. Second, RJ45 Ethernet port. Third, USB Type-C 3.2. Fourth, USB 3.2, which is always on. Fifth, HDMI 1.4B, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.2. So let's talk about its processor. So it comes with AMD Ryzen 5 4650U professional processor, 2.1 GHz base speed, 4.0 GHz max speed, 8 MB smart cache. So let's talk about its operating system. So it is preloaded with Windows 10 Home with lifetime validity. So let's talk about its display. So it has 14-inch screen with 1920 into 1080 Full HD display. It also has anti-glare technology. So let's talk about its memory. So it has 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD. So let's talk about its design. It is thin and a light laptop. It has 180-degree hinge. So let's talk about its pre-installed software. Microsoft Office and Student 2019 is already there. So let's talk about its security. So it has power button with built-in fingerprint reader to log in any money. It also has discrete TPM 2.0 chip for encryption of data and password. It is spill resistant keyboard. It also has 720p camera with thin shutter to protect you from hackers. So let's talk about its price. So its MRP is 64,000, but on Amazon or any other site you will get it in 53,000 approx. So let's talk about its disadvantages. This laptop does not contain a backlit keyboard which helps you to write in dark. Second, this laptop does not contain IPS panel which brightens the color of the display. If you are buying this laptop for IPS panel purpose only, so don't buy this because it does not contain that. Hope you all guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please do comment in the comment box, and see you soon guys in the next video.